Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max session. We are continuing our lesson number 7. Time goes on. We are doing our workbook, so all of you please take out your workbook. Take workbook, page number 66. What will be the time be? Question number 7. Bruna is my pet dog. The clock shows her daily schedule. Write the time shown in the clock in the box provided. For some pictures, the time is already written and you must draw the hands on the clock. Here, this is Bruno. It is my pet dog, and the clock given below shows her daily schedule. And in some clocks, the time is provided but not written the time, and in some cases, the time is written down but not shown in the clock. So whatever is missing, we have to complete it. Let us start from A. Let us start from question number A. You can see here the time is shown in the clock and written morning walk. So here see, the small needle is called the hour hand and the big needle of the clock is called the minute hand. So the hour hand is on 6 and the minute hand is on 12. So what will be the time? The time is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And in the, as it is given morning walk, it is 6 o'clock in the morning. So by 6 o'clock in the morning, Bruno will go for a morning walk. So as the clock shows the time 6 o'clock. Hour hand is on 6 and minute hand is on 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. You have to write here 6 o'clock like this. Okay. Now B, after morning walk, the Bruno will have milk. By what time Bruno will have milk? He had milk by 6:45. The time is given here 6:45. But it is not shown in the clock. We have to draw the minute hand as well as the hour hand. You know, as it is 6:45, the hour is 6. So you have to draw a hour needle, hour hand here in between 6 and 7 because it is 6:45. So near to 7. So you have to draw the hour hand exactly in between 6 and 7, small needle, and the minutes are 45 minutes. When it is 45 minutes, the minute hand will reach on 9 in the clock. So you have to draw the minute hand towards 9 in order to show 45 minutes. So the time is 6:45 and you have to draw like this in the clock. Next one, C, takes a bath at 8:15. So after morning walk at 6 o'clock and having milk by 6:45, what did Bruno do? Bruno will have a bath or take a bath at 6:15 in the morning. Sorry, 8:15 in the morning. So we have to draw the hands or needles on the clock. See here, it is 8 o'clock. That is 8 hours. So the hour hand should be drawn towards 8 and 15 minutes. When it is 15 minutes, the minute hand will reach on the number 3 on the clock. So you have to draw minute hand or the long needle towards 3 to show 15 minutes. So hour hand on 8 and minute hand on 3 to show the time 8:15. So draw like this. Next one, after taking bath, it will have the breakfast at 8:45. So you have to draw the needles on the clock. The hour hand should be near in between 8 and 9 and 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, to show 45 minutes, the minute hand should be on 9. So draw like this, 8:45 in the clock. Hour hand in between 8 and 9 and the minute hand exactly on 9. Next one, after that it will have lunch by 2 o'clock. In the clock it is shown it has lunch. We have to write the time shown in the clock. The time is shown in the clock. See, this is the minute hand. Minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 2. So when minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 2, the time is 2 o'clock. You can see the small needle, that is hour hand, is on 2 and minute hand, the big one, is on 12. So the time is 2 o'clock. So you can write the time 2 o'clock like this here. Next one, the clock shows the time What is the time? We can find out. It will take a nap. By what time? We can see. See, the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 6. That means when the minute hand is on 6, that means 30 minutes. And it is hour hand is on 3. So write 3 and how many minutes? 30 minutes, because the minute hand is on 6 in the clock. So the minute is how many minutes past? It is 30 minutes. It is 30 minutes past 3, otherwise 3:30. What is the time? 3:30. Next one, the clock shows what time? The minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is on 4. So that means 4:30. When the minute hand is on 6, that means 30 minutes. And the hour hand is on 4. So 4:30. So by 3:30 it will take a nap, and after that by 4:30 it plays with me. Okay, Bruno plays with me by 4:30. After that it has dinner at by what time? In this clock, where is the hour hand? The hour hand is in between 8 and 9, and the minute hand is on 6. That means the time is 8:30. You can write here the time 8:30. So Bruno, this is the schedule of Bruno. By morning 6 o'clock it will go for a morning walk. After that by 6:45 it has milk, and it will take a bath at 8:15. After that Bruno will have its breakfast by 8:45. Then afterwards by noon 2 o'clock it has lunch. Then by 3:30 in the evening it will take a nap and plays with me at 4:30. And after that by 8:30 at night Bruno will have its dinner. Okay, so you have to complete this like this. Next page, write what will be the time in the following cases. You have to find the time given here. First one, 2 hours after 8:30. So what is the hour here? 8 is the hour and 30 is the minutes. So 8 hours 30 minutes. So after 2 hours of 8:30, after means you have to plus. After 2 hours of 8:30, what will be the time? So we can calculate it like this. Time given 8:30 plus 2 hours. So 8 is the hour. So you have to add 2 with 8, and here 30 nothing to add. So write 0 0. So here 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 0 3, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So you will get the answer 10:30, because it is 2 hours after 8:30. Here 8:30 means 8 is the hour and 30 is the minute. So we have to add 2 with the hour. So which is the hour here? 8 is the hour here. So we have to add 2 with 8. Don't add 2 with 30 because 2 is the hour. We have to add 2 hours. After means plus, you have to do plus. So we will get the answer 10:30. Next one, 15 minutes before 3:30. Before means we have to do minus. 15 minutes, it is not hour, it is minutes. So here 3:30, 3 is the hour and 30 is the minute. So from which we have to deduct 15? We have to deduct 15 from the 30 minutes, because 15 minutes should be deducted. So we can write like this: 3 hours 30 minutes. 3, this is 3 hours and this is 30 minutes minus 15 minutes. So in the place of hour you can write 0 because nothing is there, and we have to deduct 15 from this 30. So when you deduct 15 from this 30, you will get 15, because here you have to cut it and write 10, because 0 minus 5 is not possible. So 10 minus 5 you will get 5, and here 3 will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 minus 0 is 3. So we will get the answer 3:15. Okay, so 15 minutes before 3:30 is 3:15. Next one, 10 minutes after 1:30. So after means plus. It is minutes. 10 minutes after 1:20. The hour is 1 and 20 is the minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes. So you have to add 10 with the 20 minutes. So you can write like this: 120 plus 0, 10. Like this. This is 1 hour 20 minutes plus 10 minutes. As there is no hour, I have written 0 here, and you will get the answer 1:30. So you can write here 1:30. Now 20 minutes after 5. This is 5 hours 5 minutes. It is written 05. That means it is 5 minutes. 5 minutes is written as 05, not directly 5. It will be written as 05. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. 5 hours, 5 minutes. So you have to add 20 with this 05. That is otherwise 5 minutes because it is minutes. So you can write like this: 5 hours 5 minutes plus 20 minutes. You will get the answer 5 hours 25 minutes. So you can write here 5:25. It should be added with the minutes. Next is also the question is 30 minutes after 4:50. Here also addition, and this 30 minutes should be added with this 15 minutes. So what we will get, you can write like this: 4:15 plus 30 minutes. So you will get the answer 4:45. So answer is 4:45. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Tick the clock with the correct time and cross out the wrong ones in each of the following. So you have to tick the correct one. 40 minutes past 4. That past means after 4. So the time is 4:40. 40 minutes past 4 means the time is 4:40. When the time is 40 minutes, where will be the minute hand in the clock? It will be on 8. You can see here, this is the right answer because 40 minutes past 4. That means it is 40 minutes. So the hour hand will be in between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. You can see the hour hand is in between 4 and 5. And it is 40 minutes. The minute hand is on 40. So this is the correct answer. And this one is wrong because the hour hand is in between 3 and 4. That means the time is 3:40 here. The question is 4:40. Otherwise 40 minutes past 4. The right answer is this one. So after means the small needle, otherwise hour hand will pass that number. It will not go before that number. Here it is in between 3 and 4. That means 3:40. Here it is in between 4 and 5. That means 4:40. So this is the correct answer. Now next question is 2:10. So 2:10 means the hour hand will be on 2, and 10 minutes means the hour hand will be on 2 itself. So you can see here both the needles are on 2. So this is the correct answer. This here you can see the time is 2:05 because the minute hand is on 1. That means the time is 2:05. And the answer here correct is this one. This one put across. Next one, 10 minutes past 6. That means 6:10. Past means after. So 10, when the time is 10 minutes, the minute hand will be on 2. You can see the minute hand is on 2. And what is the hour? 6. So the hour hand will be on 6. So the right answer is this one. The time shown here is the minute in hand is on 10. That means the time is 6:50. So this is wrong and this is correct. On the next page you can see 5:35. See here. So 5 hours. Small hand will be on 5. You can see in this picture, which is in which picture you can see the hour hand on 5 in this picture. And the 35 minutes. 35 minutes means the minute hand will be on 7. Already you have studied all this in your second standard. Okay, so the minute hand will be on 7 and hour hand will be on 5. So this is the correct answer. This here shown the time is 7:25. So this is wrong. Next one, 2:45. So the minute hand will be in between 2 and 3. You can see, sorry, the hour hand will be in between 2 and 3. So you can see here this is the small needle, that is the hour hand. It is between 2 and 3. And 45 minutes shows it will be, the minute hand will be on 9. So this is the correct answer, 2:45. Here it is shown 9:15 because the hour hand is on 9 and minute hand is on 3. So this is wrong and this is correct. Always the first number will be the hour and that will be the small needle. Small needle is the hour hand. Okay. Now draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. Okay, you have to draw the hands of the clock. Okay, first time is 3:10. So the hour is 3 o'clock. So the hour and or small needle should be on 3, and the minutes is 10 minutes. 10 minutes means the minute hand will be on 2. So draw like this. Next one 4 5. So hour hand will be on 4 and minute hand will be on 1 in the clock. Next one 8:55. So the hour hand should be in between 8 and 9. Why? Up to this 30, otherwise when the time is in between 30 minutes, you have to you can draw exactly near to the number, and if it past 30, you have to draw in between the hours. Understood? So here you can see it is 4 5, so you can draw this hour and on 4, and here you can see when it past 30 minutes, when it is after 30 minutes, the needle, small needle will also move to the center. That's why after 30 minutes, that means here 8:55 is shown, we have to draw in between 8 and 9. The hour hand should be drawn in between 8 and 9. So here it is 5 4 5 and here 3 10. That time you can draw on exactly on the number, because the small needle will move only a little. When it passes this 6 or 30 minutes, the small needle will move half portion from the number. Okay, that's why here you can draw the small needle in between 8 and 9, and it shows 55 minutes. That is, it should be the minute hand should be on 11. Okay, next one, the time is 6:20. So 6:20, you can draw the hour hand here on little bit far from 6, not exactly between, little bit far from 6, and 20 minutes shows the minute hand should be on 4. Next one 10:15, you can draw the hour hand on 10, and 15 minutes you have to draw the minute hand on 3. Next one is 2:55. Here you can draw the minute hand should be on 55, and the hour hand should be in between 2 and 3, near to 3, not exactly on 3 but near to 3 and in between 2 and 3. Okay, like this you have to draw, because it is near to 3 o'clock. When this minute hand reaches this 12, this small needle will reach on 3. That's why near to 3 you have to draw, only 5 minutes left for 3 o'clock. Okay, so you have to draw neatly like this in your textbook. Okay, I hope you have understood this session. Let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.